Don't waste your life. Set your goals high. Quit thinking about what's wrong. Start thinking what's right. Love a little more, hate a little less. You have no idea what you're capable of doing. Make up your mind today, you're going to figure it out.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everblock Tech, where we cover everything Web3 and beyond. In today's video, we're going to show you how to mint a BlockCycle.algo segment NFD on NF.Domains. So if you're looking to secure your unique digital identity, then you come to the right place. Now let's get started. So first, let's briefly introduce NF.Domains. NF.Domains is a unique place where you can mint and manage your non-fungible domains on the Algorand blockchain. NFDs are a revolutionary way to represent your digital identity in a decentralized manner. So to begin, you first want to open your web browser and go to app.nf.domains. All right, you want to connect your wallet. I'm using Wallet. All right, and then you want to click on Find an NFD. You'll type in BlockCycle.algo. Okay, view profile, and let me just go ahead and say now that here you'll find your vault address. So after we mint ours, you'll find your vault address here, and you can just click it for easy access. I'll show you a different way in a minute, but here we go. So you just click on view profile, go down to the segments right here, okay? And you can see where all of the segments are that have already been minted. So when you enter your segment name here, let's say you want to Gigatron, which I already have, you'll see it says unavailable, right? So you just have to pick a name that is available, just like any other web domain, okay? So we'll just say available, all right, avail, all right, there we go. It's a typo, but that's all right, this is a demo. All right, so you'll see that that's gonna cost 159.85 Algorand, or about $25.40. So you'll just click buy now, okay? It's gonna say waiting for user to sign transaction. Now I'm not gonna do this because I don't want that domain name at all. I just want the ones that I already have. So what you do is you go to your phone though, have your wallet open on your phone, and you click confirm for this transaction. Now after this, there's gonna be another tab that's gonna, another button that's gonna pop up that's gonna say mint NFD right here. You'll just click on that, and then from there, you'll be able to find your NFD within your wallet, okay? So I'll just click on mine here, all right? And as I said, you can find your vault address right here, all right? Click on view profile. And here you go, all right? So the first thing you need to do though is verify your address. When you get into our Discord, you're gonna need to link your vault address to our Discord. That's how you get your airdrops. That's how you qualify for the being able to stake on the dApp. So you wanna make sure you get your address verified, and that can be whatever address you want. It just has to be a verified address on the Algorand chain. And then here's your vault address right here. And this is where you'll find any airdrops that you get. So you'll just click on assets, click on vault, and then you'll find your airdrop tokens here whenever we send out airdrops, all right? It's not going to your regular wallet, it's going to your vault. Vaults are very easy to receive NFTs. You can receive tokens inside of the vault. It's very convenient. Now, once you get that segment and you want to stake on our dApp, what you'll do is you'll go to block-cycle-d-app.persale.app. I know that's a lot. We're going to get hosting and have a very unique and easy to find name, okay? But you'll come here, all right? You'll connect your wallet, okay? And then you'll see all of the different staking options. So as you can see, you can stake LP tokens for 1000% APY, all right? This is how many I've earned so far since I've been staking. You'll get the cycle token. You can stake the cycle token itself. And then when you mint your segment, you'll even get an Eco Shuffle NFT that you can stake and earn cycle tokens as well, all right? So I hope this was helpful, and I hope you will go ahead and get your segment. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithms, and share this video with anyone that you think can benefit from it. And I'll catch you in the next one.